Okay, so I want to show you some pictures. Now, I took these with this camera. This is the Canon PowerShot SX50. I remembered it because I thought of sex without the E. SX50. I'm sure this has been improved since the time I got it, but it is amazing that you can go into Best Buy and price match online with a price for something like this. I mean, it has 50 times optical zoom and 200 times digital. So once you get past that 50 optical point, it zooms in digitally pretty far. I mean, I have moons of Jupiter from this camera. Craters on the moon. Pretty amazing stuff. Okay, so what I want to show you was this past September, I believe it was September 23rd, that Sunday, the total lunar eclipse. I got some pretty amazing pictures. All right, so I was in Central Park, New York City, and I printed these out. I think it's one of the first things I actually took and printed out. So I'll show you what I have. They've been scattered and I used some of them in a painting and cut them out. So I'll show you. And I took all these in Central Park. This one's cool. I try to get through these quick because I got a lot of them. Interesting mist around that moon that night, huh? I must mention I saw an extraordinary amount of airplanes flying over Central Park that night. I got a picture of one flying right over the moon. I'll show it to you. Unfortunately, I had a big picture and I showed it to somebody at the bar and these two girls stole it. It must be a good picture. I have another copy. I guess I can get another copy. I'm just going to show you the one I have on my phone. Now, when I get to that picture, the one that I have on my phone is actually me taking a video. Alright, so I was recording a video. Ooh, look at that one. You can even see the blood. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so I was taking a video. So I have a video of me showing the moon, and as I was videoing it, a plane went right over the moon. And you can see I snapped the picture in the middle of the video because it kind of freeze frames for a moment. I also have another short video of a bird flying right over the moon. So it's like, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's pilot dove taking pictures of the eclipse from Central Park. Come on, let's get through these. That's cool. So some of these are before this eclipse was coming, some more when it's going back. I'm not sure which are which. They're all out of order at this point. Here's one of Central Park. I cut it because I was going to put it in a painting. These aren't the best ones of the Central Park. I actually cut up most of them. So they're a little bit like, these are the ones that are left over that are a little bit out of focus. I'm just glad people got to see the real eclipse and it wasn't covered. Check this out. Weird how the clouds all started to ball up, right? Okay, all right, that's all I got for that. Let me show you this. You ready? I gotta find it now. Very cool. Let me stop moving. I'm trying to get it in focus. Everybody see it? You see it, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you a video. This is really weird. Now, when I was in the park, let me make sure it's this one. Oh no, go away. Okay, so when I was in the park, hold on, let me find this. Get my thoughts together. Hold on, sorry. Okay, so when I was in the park, I really wanted to upload it right away, but it was in this camera, and maybe one of the things they offer on the cameras now is Wi-Fi, but it wasn't there, and I wouldn't have had Wi-Fi anyway. But so it's me playing the video image on my camera, and then I'm pointing my phone at the camera and taking a video of the plane going by the moon around the eclipse over Central Park. Okay, hold on. It's pretty cool. You might have to watch it a couple times. Yeah, you saw it, right? Watch, I'll play that show you. Oh, shit, sorry. Not like that, hold on. Right here. Everybody see it? I'm going to show you the bird, hold on. This is pretty cool too, it's really quick. You see it? Alright, I'll do that one more time. That one's cool. It's a bird, it's a plane. Okay, so is that all I wanted to show you? Pretty much. Thanks.